This is not Christmas, guys. Christmas was 3-4 weeks ago.
I'm sorry, friend.
Why do we got a Christmas tree here still?
Listen, Linda. I was not home, okay?
Okay, I feel like I'm back in the past. Christmas Day, bitch. Everybody want to get a gift? You know, I need a purse. I'm sorry.
It's going.
We're throwing out the window.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. God, I feel like I haven't said that in like a year.
Yeah.
I'm here with no other than Miss Erika Lapearl.
Hey.
She's not new to this channel. She has been here before. She's one of my closest friends, and I love her so much.
I think now we're best friends.
Yeah, we for fucking sure are.
Evolved.
Today we're gonna be doing a review. Are you excited for this?
Yeah, actually it's my first time doing a review with you. It's exciting.
I know, but we literally, every time something new comes out, we always like bounce back and forth. We'll be like, have you tried it? What do you think about it? Da, da, da. So like we kind of do reviews on our own. So we're gonna be doing none other than announcing. Go ahead, friend. Go ahead, friend.
We got the Amrezy Palette.
Yes.
OMG, guys. I am such a big fan of her. She's a beautiful ass girl.
Gorgeous.
She makes amazing products with Anastasia. I love her highlighters.
Yeah, this is like her third collection.
Yeah. So congratulations, Amrezy, for your palette. I met you at the Halloween party. You're such a sweet person.
She was. Oh my God.
Yeah,
you know, that was my first time meeting her too.
Really? And she's so pretty in person, guys.
So pretty.
Like,
she looks the same.
She's pretty on pictures, but in person, she's gorgeous.
Well, first of all, let's talk packaging. You know me and the glitter and the bling.
Pink. I like pink.
Look at how gorgeous that is. Like, I want to get my nails on pink now. Doesn't this make you? It's the same layout as Anastasia's other palettes. I feel like it's perfect for traveling. What do you think? She's not only a celebrity makeup artist, she's Cardi's celebrity makeup artist.
Yes, my boo.
Yes.
And I think it's actually perfect with traveling. It's small. Got the fun like colors right here.
We haven't shown them.
Oh.
Like we haven't shown them the palette yet.
Oh, you could do everything with this palette. You could do a nice cool neutral color. You could do some fun stuff.
So this is the brush that it comes with, guys. It's gonna fall out when I open it, so I'm just gonna take it out. It's the same kind of brush that most of her palettes come with. So this is the blending side, and then what would you? This is like for the other eyeshadows.
Yeah, I guess do like cut crease or like something with make it more intense.
Yeah, but you said for nose contouring this.
Yeah, I'll use for nose contour. Hell yeah. I could do your nose. I'm just saying.
Okay, friend. She's so bomb and snatching noses.
Actually, I don't know. You got me.
No, friend.
I think we both should do a class.
I know, we should. Let us know. So let's get into the palette. First of all, it's gonna retail for $49.
It's worth it. I don't care.
16
I wouldn't
shades,
mind
you know.
buying something like this. Like I said, you could do a lot of stuff with this.
You want to show the colors? How pretty. It keeps trying to focus on your face, friend.
I'm a bad bitch.
Here it is. First of all, I am obsessed with the colors. I love the fact that there's so many mattes. There's some shimmer. Yeah, the pressed glitters, which are 2 shades. So in total, there's 16 shades. I'm gonna test the quality and see, especially on their new formula. I want to see what the pressed glitters really do. So let's make sure we use that. They also sent this super cute little mirror, but I'm gonna let Miss Erika
I'm a snatch
use it.
To challenge ourselves.
Oh God, why do you love a challenge?
A challenge, trying to see which one does the best eyes. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pick some colors out, and you gotta do something with that.
All right, I'll do that, and I'm gonna pick some too, bitch.
So I want you to use this blue. 1, 2, and I need you to play with this one. I just saw her Instagram. Nope, you're saying it wrong.
It's New York.
New York. Oh shit, I think I'm saying it wrong too.
I mean, I'm from New York, so I don't.
So you don't know how to say this word, friend?
New York.
In 1988.
1942.
Oh no! No, this is 1942, bitch. That's my favorite drink right there. One more color. BK.
God damn.
I want you to beat your eye for your life, bitch.
Alright. Okay. I'm gonna test you.
Test me, bitch. You give me some of the same shades.
Oh, I got you, friend. You for sure gonna be using that black. So Resi, Gemini, that one. Black, you go.
You go? Okay.
You got it? You gotta use the blue too, friend.
Okay, let's get it. I'm down, bitch. I am fucking down.
Let me put my hair back, my wig.
Put that wig back, friend. We gonna get this.
We about to get into this.
And another thing, I want you to use Yoker to contour your cheekbones.
They're already done, boo.
You can intensify it.
You trying to fuck my makeup up is what you trying.
Liddy is really like, look at this. It's crazy.
She's that bitch. I think I know what to do already, friend. Don't you trip, don't you trip.
So I want to give my boo a little shout out and congratulations to her campaign that she was on.
Aw, boo, thank you.
Let me show y'all if y'all didn't know. Look at this. What? My boo right here. It's killing me. You killed it.
Do I look the same, friend?
Oh, bitch, you. Let me tell you something. This bitch is everything in person.
You're so sweet.
But I know I'm gonna get this package, so I'm gonna hang it up.
Oh yeah, hang that shit up. Let's cheers. Let's cheers. Let's.
Okay.
All right, get your brushes going. All right, so I'm gonna start with New Yorker.
Let me start with Reezy.
What are you feeling? What are you feeling? For me, it's blending real nice right now so far.
I know. I'm kind of shook if it's not really falling off. I'm just making up as I go.
Me too, friend. Don't trip.
I was gonna say, bitch, I live for this hair, bitch. How the fuck you did this hair?
Girl, I don't even know. Like, if you start looking up close, you're gonna see the mistakes. I was just so over having it in the middle, and I was just like, psh. Then I was like, psh. And then I was like,
it's so hard.
Cause you don't be taking the time. It's like makeup. You gotta take your time.
I don't have the time to do hair. That's why I just throw this bitch on. So what I do is I like to tap the product on, right? Bring it up a little bit.
You on your second shade?
Girl, I'm fast.
Well,
You still your first color.
yeah, I am. I'm trying to.
Oh, girl, I'm about to finish before you, friend. For your hooded eyes, girls, watch what I do. So I like to take the colors always above my crease. See when I turn my head, you can see how my hood eye right here. Ugh, I hate it. So I like to take a big fluffy brush and I like to just blend it over the crease. Like that. I just bring it all the way up. What I like to do too, to cut my real hair brows, and I like to draw it more higher to just give me more of a lift look. So I have more eye space too. Cause if I didn't do that, girl, I would have no space at all.
What if I came to your house with my shadow looking like this?
Oh, Patty, I would have took this big old brush like.
One thing I will say about this is so pigmented, friend.
Yeah, it really is. Like,
It's
it looks
so pigmented.
really good right
like
now.
I'm kind of shook.
Actually, I'm kind of like the fact you put these colors, friend.
Me too. I'm over here doing a whole brown bead with a pop of purple and blue, friend.
Oh, really? But I still like to take my finger and just dab.
Are you dabbing the resin?
The resin, yeah.
Okay,
You
gotcha.
see how like
Ooh, it's pretty, friend.
pigments? You can't even see the hood eye no more, friend.
Yeah, you can. Okay,
friend. Okay. Did I fuck it up?
What? What did you do?
I put the glitter inside.
Let me see. No, it's pretty.
Okay.
It's pretty.
Because this gold
Good.
is not a bright gold. It's like a darker gold. Like this gold would be literally on your lid.
You scared me. I was like,
I was
what?
scared, so I was like, oh my god. See, I would have used Anastasia, but she didn't give me Anastasia. But I would use Anastasia and put it right here. This is what I got so far.
I have not gotten nowhere yet.
Actually-
Here's my trick of the night.
What?
You ready? I dipped it in the...
Oh, I was not ready for that.
I'm gonna be using the new formula, which is the pressed glitter Liddy.
Oh, so
And I just lick the brush because it literally like wets the brush just enough, and then it just watch. Oh wait, hold on.
Oh.
So you don't really need like a.
Oh, so I kind of learned something new today.
But this is my brush. I only use it on myself. So
They're gonna motherfucking attack your ass.
I only use it on myself though, friend. I feel like that's fine. This pressed glitter situation right here, this is fucking gorgeous, friend.
Did you do your makeup back in high school?
Hell yeah, I did, but I was horrible at it.
Dang, don't you wish that we went to high school now?
Oh, bitch, I will be beat.
I would be killing these hoes.
Then again, there's so much crazy shit going on right now in high school. Like, friend, my eyes kind of cute.
I'm not gonna lie, mine too. I'm shook at. You trying to use my motherfucking trick, huh, friend? Yes.
I sure am.
Trying to use a Lapearl,
For real, I haven't been getting as much fallout as I thought I was gonna get.
No, I'm not. The only thing I'm getting a little fallout is from the glitter, press glitter. But
Oh,
I
yeah,
think
the press
the way
glitter
how
is-
I'm doing it, because I'm doing it like I'm not doing how you do it. So maybe
You're not
it's
licking
best
it?
to do
You gotta lick
your
it, friend.
trick. But this is already like dirty, so my whole tongue is gonna be motherfucking.
So? I'm just
So
kidding.
I don't want.
I'm just kidding. At what age did you start transitioning?
I've been doing it actually since I was 18. I took hormones when I was like 23, 24. I just recently went to my boobs done and stuff like that. I started doing a lot of stuff recently.
I'm just happy you're doing it and you're like living your best life.
I'm liking this black.
The black is really good. It's
Yeah.
really good. Like I'm not getting that much fallout. Okay,
But
friend.
yeah, it looks actually pretty good.
I went for a safe look. You went for it. I feel like I did a safe ass look.
I feel like I had no choice. You gave me all like the dark colors. this glitter, like in through the screen, you can really see the sparkles. You see
so
it?
pretty.
It's running me up before Christmas.
Oh, Patty, not Christmas. It'll be gone this week.
It better be gone by tomorrow, okay?
Here I go. I'm going in with the blue, guys. Wish me luck. Still not a lot of fallout, friend. I'm shook it.
You know what? I was gonna do that, but you took my idea.
Well, you didn't say nothing, friend.
For me, it's funny because I never lose my cell phone, guys. So I shattered my phone, but it was still with me. But I lost my phone 2 days ago, and they took it. And you know, they had my phone off for a good 2 days straight. And then he turned my phone on, so it alerted find my phone. I said, Greg, let's pull up. Let's pull up. No, we're going. This phone was too expensive.
I tried to tell her not to pull up.
She told me not to, but I wanted to pull up. Long story short, the police told me I couldn't pull up to their house.
The police!
I was gonna pull up with 3 police officers, but yeah, they said that they can't do anything about it. So basically, I'm pretty much fucked, whatever. So I have a whole new phone number. I'm so mad.
Friend. I still didn't save your number, by the way.
Cheers to starting all over again.
Cheers, friend.
As long
Cheers
as
to me beating your ass, by the way, because I'm done.
Oh, that was your trick. You want me to do story time while you are doing your look. Oh, I see where you come from, friend. Where you come
Do you
from.
like my look, though?
No, it is sickening.
Is it?
It's
I feel like
sickening.
it's very like Cleopatra.
No, I love it.
Oh, mascara, friend?
Yeah, I do. Maybe I hold on to it while I catch up.
Oh, it's that so, bitch.
But look how pretty this.
Oh yeah, that's pretty, friend. So how are you feeling towards the palette right now? It's like very versatile. I feel like.
No, it is.
Like you could do like an everyday look. You could do a full-on Christmas beat. Like
full-on Christmas beat 2020.
I'm living for the blue.
No, I'm not gonna lie. The blue is really everything.
Oh God, these lashes took this look to another level.
Oh no, it actually did.
Which ones are those? The Miamis?
So extra Mykonos. Use my discount code Erika. This just took it to a whole nother level.
Okay, bitch, you flying away.
This is our finished look, guys.
We are done. I'll let you start. What are your thoughts on the palette?
I love it. I have a heavy hand, so I get fallouts no matter what, but I didn't get no fallouts.
I didn't really see a lot of fallout.
I was like, the only fallout I had was the glitter, but it wasn't as bad. I just sweep it away using a powder and it's a very soft brush. What stands out the most to me is this damn blue. Like, I love it. And that breezy color, as you can see, it's all over my hands. But I love that color too. That's on my eyes right now, and I'm kind of loving it.
It's so versatile. You could do so many looks, and for me, what I liked the most was the pressed glitter, which is actually their new formula. You do get a little bit of fallout as opposed to the matte shades or the shimmer shades, but it's worth it, girl, because look, my eyes are shining, and we're far as fuck.
Yeah.
I don't want to say fuck it. I'm far as fuck from this camera, okay? And you can still see it. Do you think it's worth the $49?
Yes, to me, I think so.
I guess that means it's obviously a thumbs up from us. It will be available. Hold on, let me just get this off of Trendmood's page. It will be available online on January 14th, and it will be available in stores on January 19th. I'm proud of us. We didn't even finish one drink throughout this whole video.
Know.
We would have been like 4 drinks in. Thank you guys so much if you stayed throughout this long video. Make sure to follow her on her Instagram, Erika Lapearl MUA. I'm gonna be posting it right here. I'm telling you, she's that bitch on makeup. So follow her.
And I just got nominated for.
Oh yes, yes she did. I'm gonna put the link down so you guys can vote for her.
Yes, vote for me. For the Hollywood Beauty Award. It's like a really major thing. It really means a lot to me. You know, I've worked so hard.
You
so,
do.
You know, I work with one person, but for some people to like really recognize my work and stuff, it's just amazing.
So, I'm so proud of you. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
And Tokyo says bye.
Oh yeah, Tokyo! Bye guys.
Bye guys. Mwah.